Okay, one big bite.
No, then.
Please. Today we're gonna eat donut. Now we will use the plate. First, we will get the fork with the plate, and this looks like chocolate, but it is maple. I am eating strawberry. Yum! Delicious! So we're gonna close it, okay? Okay. We will put right here, right on here. And milk. And it's eating. That's it. And let's eat this so yum. I will try now. Maple is too yum. That's good. Can I taste it? It's good. I will try this yours. Okay? Yum. Great. We're so excited. Marble. I think maple. It's so yummy. Yummy, delicious. And we are very happy because with a donut, because blah blah boo boo boo. That is a little bit hard. The donut is delicious. Very delicious. I need to get some tissue. It's so sticky. I ate all. So, wash your hands. I will just rest. I want to. You wanna eat the then try one more. Okay, one big bite. No, then one little bite. Okay. And dip one more bite. No, and a little bite. No. Please. No. Please.
No.
Listen.
No.
Yes.
No.
We could eat this all.
No.
Yes.
Me half and your half. Yes or no? Okay. Let's cut it. With your fork. Forky. What's the fork? Fork is Toy Story. No, fork is people fork. Oh yeah. He always wants to go in garbage.
A trash can.
Garbage can. Half half. Okay, thank you.
And bye-bye. Bye-bye.